Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to test the slime with shaving gel. So I'm going to test the recipe without glue and without borax, and then I'm going to test other recipes that you have suggested in the comments. I didn't put any music in this video, I just left the sound on because I wanted to be a little bit ASMR, a little bit relaxing. So make sure to watch it until the end. Let's see if you can find the secret words of the day throughout the video. And I really hope you like it. Remember to leave a like to this video and leave a comment with the recipe that you want me to try in my next videos. If you want, you can even wear headphones, so just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. So this first recipe was suggested in my Italian video, and it is to use Elmer's glue and shaving gel. So the shaving gel is going to act as an activator, so without any borax, without contact lens solution or without detergent. And then after this one I'm going to test it without glue and without borax. So I just poured a little bit of Elmer's glue. When you're going to test the slime, I would suggest you to never use too much glue, otherwise you're going to waste it. So then I'm adding some shaving gel. And I'm starting mixing it. I decided to add some shampoo to make it fluffier. So as I saw that it wasn't working, so unfortunately this one doesn't work, I decided to put some borax and to see how it came out, the slime with glue and shaving gel, just to not waste all this glue and all this gel, and to see if the result is better than with the shaving foam. And I was actually surprised because since the beginning I noticed that it's a lot more fluffier than with the shaving foam. So this is the result adding borax. So unfortunately, just with the shaving gel it didn't work. However, adding borax is a great slime. It's amazing. It's so much better than with the shaving foam. So I would definitely suggest you to try it and to use the shaving gel instead of the shaving foam, because it's 10 times more softer and fluffier, and it's super cool, really. So just try it. Then now I'm going to test the recipe without glue and without borax, and I'm going to see if it works. So for the recipe without glue and without borax, I'm using a peel-off face mask. You can also use a peel-off lipstick, and I would suggest you to buy these big bottles because it's more convenient than buying the singular mask that is like 10 ml, and you can find them on Amazon. They are cheaper in Amazon. Then I'm adding the shaving gel. So unfortunately this one didn't work too. I saw some video and it worked for some people, so I don't know if I'm doing something wrong or if they're using something different. I decided to activate it anyway, just to not waste the product and to see how is the result. So I added some borax. Keep on watching, because after this one I'm going to show you 2 other recipes without glue and without borax. I don't know why, but it reminds me of a cloud, so like a fluffy cloud slime. Oh, okay. This can be the secret word of the day, actually. So the secret word of the day is fluffy cloud slime. So if you watched the video until now, just write in the comments the secret word of the day without saying that it's the secret word of the day. So I will know that you watched the video until here. So I'm adding a little bit more of borax. And this is the result. Even with the face mask, it was super soft, so it was so much better than using the shaving foam. So for this other recipe, it was suggested by Saltic Sims. Thank you very much for suggesting this recipe. So I'm going to use some shaving gel instead of shaving cream. And I'm sorry if I put some music on, it's just that I forgot that I was recording the audio and I was listening to a podcast. So I had to remove the audio now. So I'm just using some shaving gel and then I'm freezing it for 15 minutes. In the meantime, I'm going to make this other recipe. Thank you, Danny, for suggesting this recipe. So basically, I'm going to use some shaving gel mixed with some cornstarch. But unfortunately, this was a small bottle, so it didn't last for all these slimes, and I finished the shaving gel. So I decided to use the one that I'm going to remove from the freezer now. So the one that I did put in the freezer for 15 minutes. So this is the result. I'm going to check if it became like a slime. So unfortunately no, it was still very liquid and it didn't become a slime. So I decided to test the other recipe now. So I'm adding some cornstarch. You can add some corn flour or regular flour if you don't have cornstarch. I'm adding a little bit more because it's still very liquid. So I started mixing it with my hands, but unfortunately it was still very liquid, so this one didn't work either. Let me know in the comments if you know other recipes with shaving gel or without borax, without glue. I will be happy to try them in my next videos. Let me know if you like this type of ASMR slime test videos, or if you prefer the normal ones that are with the music and without any sound. Please let me know in the comments, and remember to subscribe and activate the notification so you won't miss my next videos. And thanks so much for watching.